So a brilliant study hack is looking for patterns, especially in processes like glycolysis, for example. Look at the whole picture and look and see if you can find patterns, because patterns will help you remember. But the other thing that patterns do is, say you remember one concept but not another, it could sometimes trigger you into remembering another. For example, in glycolysis, the first pattern I notice is anytime the enzyme ends with kinase, it typically means ADP or ATP is going to be involved. So if I remembered the enzyme, but I didn't remember which stages have ADP or ATP involved, that might trigger me there. The next is looking at glycolysis. We know that certain steps are irreversible, and actually it's the first, third, and the last step that are irreversible. So memorizing that could be helpful too. The other pattern is the first half involves one molecule and the second half involves two molecules. So that's another pattern to be aware of. But there are lots of patterns that probably you can think of too. If you've thought of any for glycolysis, do pop them into the comments below. But this is a great strategy, is looking for patterns in any sort of process. Let me know if that was helpful and follow me for more tips.